Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 in driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights, heads up display controls, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. You do have dual paddle shifters on the backside, full digital gauge cluster, a large 13.4-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, automatic shifter knob, integrated chili braking system, all black interior with Bose audio and AT4 badging on the doors, and our black leather heated seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest, as well as our rear view camera does have a rear view mirror does have the rear view camera system for the truck. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels and machined face. You do have the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, Duramax turbo diesel plaque on the fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. We have LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, recovery hooks, AT4 branded grille with a camera system there as well. Making our way back down the side of the crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Duramax 1500, LED brake lights, MultiPro tailgate, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow pack there, as well as a backup camera. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as they are heated. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. 3-stage heated seat controls, as well as rubberized floor liners and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.